It is Valentine's Day. Everywhere you look, people are proving that love exists. They're holding hands, they're buying flowers, they're making promises. And then there is us, sitting here realizing that the person we would have died for is somewhere else. And the hardest part is not even that they are gone, it's the realization that someday she's going to love someone else. It will not be a movie moment, it will just happen. Some random guy, someone you do not even know and never will, is going to see her laugh at something stupid. And he is going to fall for her the exact same way you did. The same way she looked at you in the beginning. She's going to look at him like that. She's going to let him in. She will be up late, staring at her phone, getting those butterflies when his name pops up, feeling the exact things she stopped feeling with you. And you just have to sit with the fact that for her, it's like you never existed. Maybe it is already happening. Maybe today, while you are here alone, he's the one making her smile. He's the one hearing about her day. He's her person now. And you will never even know. You will just wake up one day, scroll through a screen, and see her with him. And in that second, you will realize you have been replaced. All those late night promises, the forever and the always, they did not disappear, they just moved. He gets to hold the hand you used to hold. He gets the version of her that you spent years trying to save. And you are just gone. People tell you to be ready, they tell you to move on. But I do not think you are ever really ready to be a stranger to someone who knew your soul. It is not motivational, it is just the truth. She is going to be happy. She is going to find her love. And it is not going to be you. And that is a kind of pain that does not go away just because you work on yourself. It is just a hole you learn to live with. If you are feeling the weight of that today, I'm not going to tell you it gets better. I'm just going to say, I hear you. You do not survive because the pain disappears. You survive because one day you realize you are more than someone's memory. Take care of yourself.